So now we want to program our game so that when we click on the arrows, the backdrops switch to the backdrops that we want. So in this case, when we're looking at the living room back, we want to click on the left arrow to go to the kitchen. We want to click on the right arrow to go and see the front of the living room. And we click on the up arrow if we want to go up to the guest room. So how would we do that? Well, we can go to events and we could say when this sprite clicked, and when the left arrow is clicked, we can also say switch backdrop to kitchen. So that seems simple enough, but it's not that simple because once you go to the kitchen, maybe I can come here and we can show the kitchen. When I click on the right arrow, I don't want to go to the kitchen. Right. I only want to go to the kitchen when I'm looking at the back of the living room. So when I'm here. And so when I'm in the kitchen, when I press the left arrow, I want to see the back of the living room. Right? When I press the right arrow, I want to see the front of the living room. So we need to make it so that when you are in different backdrops, your arrow keys do different things. So we need to add a little something to our code. What we need is to go to the data tab, make a variable called room, and we're going to go ahead and set room to 0 on the green flag clicked. Right? But when you switch to living room back, or when you receive living room back, I'm going to set my room variable to living room underscore B, okay, to living room back. So now if I go ahead and hit my green flag, I click on the screen, it goes to living room back, and you can see my variable room is equal to LRB. So what we can do here is we could say when this sprite clicked, the left arrow, I can have an if statement. Right? I could say if room is equal, so we go to operators, equal LR underscore B, then I want to switch my backdrop to kitchen, right? We can have another if statement here too, right? We could say if room is equal to K for kitchen, then we switch it to a different backdrop. Right? So this way we can program it so that our arrow keys go to different rooms based on which room they are currently in.